today's session, I'm thinking about making a really weird patch in Serum, and then I might key in some MIDI and do some really strange, like, out there MIDI, and then I might resample it and see if I can make something. I don't think I need like a crazy wavetable. It's more just the LFOs and everything else I'm going to get crazy with. So I might start with something basic, like just do a square wave. So the first thing I want to do is make sort of like a stepped rhythm to this. Maybe I'll do, let's do like a bar, set it to trigger. Let's turn the grid up to 16. And maybe I'll do each one of these points. And maybe, actually, let's do ramp down like this. Okay. Maybe I'll take low pass over here. And I wouldn't mind each one of these hits being a little bit different. So maybe I'll just change the points. Let's do the same thing to the resonance. And maybe I won't do it fully down on some of these notes. Just keep it up a little bit. What if instead of me doing it synced, what if I did not synced and then had the note modulate the rate? So the higher I play, the faster it goes. We'll start slow. That's pretty crazy. Let's put some delay on there. Ping pong. Let's come in here now and do a filter. Maybe just a low pass again. And for this one, I might have it sweep the frequencies back and forth. Let's do it triggered. Maybe I'll keep it off so it just kind of moves freely. Let's bring in another oscillator and do, maybe we do a square wave, saw wave. And now I'm thinking about doing some sort of crazy like pitching thing. Maybe not that one. What if we go octaves? Oh, that's pretty cool. That could be crazy. Okay, let's put a compressor on this because this is like getting way too much. Maybe after the filter. I don't know if there's really much more I want to do to this. It just sounded pretty crazy as is. All right, let's try and put in some MIDI now. I I think what I'll do for this first pass is just do the basic versions of the chords. Maybe just 7th chords. Yeah. It's crazy. Alright, so that MIDI is pretty crazy. Obviously not usable by itself, but I'm hoping with some resampling, I can find some cool chops somewhere in there. Resample. Take the input here from that melody, hit and I'm just going to put Portal on here too. Maybe just some of these basic ones at the start. Ambient Lake, let's start with that one. All right, that might do. Just consolidate a section of this, and I'm going to drag this into simpler, put it on slice mode, select beat, put it on half notes. Let's try this one. Okay, there's the bass. I'm happy with that. What about the clap too? Yeah, it's definitely better filtered. All right, let's put a vocal in here now. Bass, Reese bass. Good old Barramundi, mate. Filter this. I don't really want it to pulse, but I just want it to be long notes. Nature. Let's see, goose. All right, that'll do me for this one. I'll come through here and just show you what I did at the start, give you a bit of an overview. So I started with this serum patch. I'll bring it up. And then these crazy sort of art bits. It's crazy. It's a wild patch. But once I resampled it and then chopped it up, I got a pretty nice few chops out of it. I think I went with this fourth one in the end that I used in the beat, so I'll give you a playthrough for that. Bloody beautiful, mate. And then that chop in the context of the mix, I just filtered it pretty heavily, took out a lot of the lows and a lot of the highs, and that sounds like this. Bring it up on span. Very narrow range. But in the context of the mix, sits well there. Sits well there too in the intro, so it ended up being quite a nice layer for the beat. Anyway, I'll give it a playthrough now so you can hear the final product, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.